Hello students, welcome back to our EVS class. Today, let us begin a new chapter, different types of birds. First of all, let us discuss about some common features of birds. There are thousands of birds of all shapes, sizes and colors. They have these things in common. All birds are covered with feathers. All birds have two wings, but they cannot all fly. All birds have a tail. It is used for steering in flight. All birds have two legs and feet with toes. All birds have a hard beak. All female birds lay eggs. Birds fly by flapping their wings up and down. Birds' bones are hollow and full of air. This makes them light enough to fly. India is home to a large variety of birds. Due to loss of habitat and high levels of pollution, the number of birds are decreasing with each passing day. In this session, let us study about some common birds found in our country. Students, first of all, let us study about dove. It is like a small pigeon of a forest or dry farmland, also known as the laughing dove or little brown dove. It feeds on grass, seeds, grains, and small insects. Next, we have Indian robin. It is a brownish black bird with prominent wing markings. Prominent wing markings means clearly visible wing markings. It feeds on insects. It often makes nests in human-made structures like abundant pipes. It is found in almost all parts of India. Next, we shall discuss about a familiar bird which is found everywhere in our surroundings, that is crow. Crow is a very adaptive omnivorous bird. It has a grayish collar on black plumage. Children, do you know the meaning of plumage? Plumage means feathers covering the body of a bird. It makes nests on trees near human habitation. Have you ever seen a kingfisher? Kingfisher is a small bird which is found in a combination of orange and blue. It mainly feeds on fish and other aquatic insects. Kingfisher usually lives around streams and other water bodies. Children, in spring season, we often hear the musical or sweet voice of koel. We think that this sweet voice is produced by female koel. However, the sweet and musical sound is produced by male koel. Koel is a member of the cuckoo family. Children, which family? Cuckoo family. This singing bird is found across India. It feeds mainly on berries, fruits and insects. Both the male and the female koels do not resemble with each other. The male bird is bluish black with red eyes, while the female bird is brownish in color. So children, so far we discussed about some common Indian birds. let's have a quick evaluation of what we have learned today. Children, here comes your first question. Dash is a small pigeon of a forest or dry farmland. What is the question? Dash is a small pigeon of a forest or dry farmland. Options are crow, quail, and dove. What is the answer? Yes, the answer is dove. Second question is, Dash is a brownish black bird with prominent wing markings. What is the question? Dash is a brownish black bird with prominent wing markings. Options are vulture, Indian robin, and quail. Answer is Indian robin. Our third question is, Dash has a greyish collar on black plumage. What is the question? Dash has a greyish collar on black plumage. Options are crow, ostrich, and duck. Answer is crow. Fourth question is, Dash is a small bird which is found in a combination of orange and blue. What is the fourth question? Dash is a small bird which is found in a combination of orange and blue. Your options are Indian robin, sparrow, common kingfisher. And the answer is common kingfisher. Here is your last question. Quail is a member of the Dash family. What is the question? Quail is a member of the Dash family. So your options are cuckoo, loons, screamers. And the answer is cuckoo. So children, take out your EVS notebook and write down these MCQs in your EVS notebook and learn them. So children, thank you and have a nice day.